It's the year of the Gathering 2013 and I'm here on the red carpet at the Dublin Convention Centre for the 10th annual IFTA Awards, a very special gathering of some of the finest talents in Irish film and television. Now the IFTAs join a lineup that's chock-a-block of gatherings taking place right around the country, and tonight I'm going to be talking to the stars of Irish film and TV about what it means to be back home in Ireland for this very special event. How do you feel about the Gathering 2013?
I think it's a grand idea. I think we should have a reverse gathering in America too.
Have you any plans maybe in your personal time later on the year
yeah,
to come back to
I think so. I'm going to try to come back in the spring with my whole family.
Really?
Yeah.
How many of you are there?
Oh, O'Reilly's, there's probably more than you could accommodate. Yeah.
So you're going to have a big gathering back here. Now where's going to be on your list?
Well, I've always wanted to go to Connemara. I mean, it's wide open. I haven't really been too much at all out in the countryside, so I'm really looking forward to it.
We'll be shooting 3 months during the summer on Moonboy, and I'm going to try and bring some people over. Yeah, so I'm going to be here a lot this year. I see that John C. Reilly is here tonight. I'd like a gathering with John C. Reilly and my family.
Well, it just sounds like a really beautiful idea, I think. Yeah, it's a lovely idea to formalise what a lot of people feel, you know.
Just like my heart soars when I'm on that plane and I look out the window and I see green and I can see my mammy's house, and it's all just the most incredible feeling for me. And that's why tonight's so brilliant, because, you know, people coming home from abroad just to support Irish talent.
I've invited this person along for Gathering 2013. It's all about, you know, getting extra people in there.
So you're going to be inviting your family from all across the world?
Yeah, unfortunately, yeah.
A big bunch of Breslins?
We're going to take over McElhenny's, we are.
McElhenny's?
So, yeah, Scottish, so Mum's Scottish.
Oh,
yeah.
right, okay.
So we're taking it over slowly. But yeah, it has to be done, you know, and I don't think we would have done it otherwise.
Mm-hmm. I think it's a wonderful idea, and anything that brings people back in a positive way.
We've been filming over in New Mexico, and we've brought American actors and French actors and all these different actors back to Ireland to finish the film and stuff, and they're all having a great time. So,
first of all, I think it's a wonderful initiative. I think it's a brilliant idea, and said so. And I think it's great to invite people back to bring their resources, their talent, their friendship, because things come of partnerships like that.
I live in a part of Sligo on Strand Hill, which is a seaside village, and it's just absolutely amazing. The mountain ranges there, you know, the surf, the beaches, the seals, you know, there's just so many things to do there. It's so hidden and it's so kind of unspoiled, unknown about.
Okay. And I was actually talking to a couple of American friends of mine whose families and wives and everything and them are coming over to Ireland.
As a result of you telling them about the place?
No, they'd found out about it on their own.
Recently I've met quite a few people who have only just recently come back, and maybe because of the gathering, I don't know. They've recently come back and they've said that they've walked down the street and they've gone, oh, it's me, oh, I'm there. And they're getting a recognition of belonging somewhere.
I got back yesterday because I've been in Germany for a few weeks doing a film with Wes, so.
Yes, and who else are you starring alongside? I did read.
Everyone and their granny, like Adrian Brody, Willem Dafoe, Edward Norton, Bill Murray, Tilda Swinton. It's the most incredible cast. He always gets brilliant people in his films, but I think on this one everyone seems to be really coming together, you know. So yeah, it's very exciting.
Have you invited the cast back home to Ireland?
Not yet. I'm going to wait until I know them a little bit better. We'll wait until we finish the film and everyone's a bit more relaxed, and then bring them all back here.
It's great surfing in the west of Ireland.
Can't beat surfing, and scuba diving. I've been diving out there. That's awesome. Killery Harbour, amazing diving. Do you know the way everybody complains about the weather here? When I'm away, right, I swear to God, when I'm away, there's a part of me that misses when it's like lashing rain outside and windy and blustery, and you go home and you light the fire and stick on a cup of tea. I miss that so much.
And what would you say to anyone contemplating coming here for a holiday?
Don't be afraid. We're really nice.
Well, there you have it. We've heard from the good and the great of Irish television and film, with Saoirse Ronan, Chris O'Dowd, John C. Reilly and Jack Rayner all telling us about their personal plans for the gathering. I don't know about you, but it certainly made me very excited for the year ahead.